He is tired and yawning. He is tired and yawning. He is wearing snorkel mask and water. He is wearing snorkel mask and water. He enjoys healthy meal with fresh fruits and vegetables. He enjoys healthy meal with fresh fruits and vegetables. She is playing with swim ring in water. She is playing with swim ring in water. She is holding potted plant. She is holding potted plant. He holds fish with bucket nearby outdoors. He holds fish with bucket nearby outdoors. She admires herself in mirror. She admires herself in mirror. She holds round object. She holds round object. The doctor is holding clipboard and pen. The doctor is holding clipboard and pen. She is frustrated with poor mobile phone signals. She is frustrated with poor mobile phone signals. He is lifting dumbbells for fitness. He is lifting dumbbells for fitness. He balances soccer ball on finger. He balances soccer ball on finger. He is running with soccer ball. He is running with soccer ball. He is flexing his arms. He is flexing his arms. He is examining plant with phone. He is examining plant with phone. She is smiling with her friend. She is smiling with her friend. She is excited about dress and laundry. She is excited about dress and laundry. He is opening the window. He is opening the window. She is washing her hands. She is washing her hands. He is eating fresh fruit. He is eating fresh fruit. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. He is closing the door. He is closing the door. She is cooking dinner. She is cooking dinner. He is cleaning the table. He is cleaning the table. She is folding clean clothes. She is folding clean clothes. He is walking in garden. He is walking in garden. She is talking on phone. She is talking on phone. He is brushing his teeth. He is brushing his teeth. She is drying her hair. She is drying her hair.